Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Students, today we solve practice sheet 4 of class 4 mathematics for your annual exam 2024-25 DAV Public School, Cuttack. Today we solve mixed chapter of previous year question. So let us start the session. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Link are in the description below. So first question number 1. Take pen and paper and start with me. First question number A. 67094 gram equal to dash kg and dash gram. Okay. So how to solve? Now in this questions, first we know from the right side we underline the 3 digit. Means these 3 digit we write in the gram place, that is 094, and the remaining we write in kg, that is 67 kg, means 67 kg 94 gram. Okay, suppose the question is 11125, means we write in gram place, that is 125, and the remaining is kg. All of you understand? Now actually how this is possible? Now we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kg. That's why we remove or we write 3 digit in gram place. All of you understand? Now the equivalent fraction of 5 by 7 with the denominator 28 means 5 by 7 equal denominator is 28, means we write the denominator, that is 28. Now find the numerator. Tell me how to find. Now in this case, first of all we see 7 into dash equal to 24. Now 4, because 7 4s are 28. Similarly, if the denominator is multiplied by 4, means we say that the numerator also multiply by 4. That's why they are equivalent. So 5 4s are 20. So answer is 20. Next, the volume of the cube. Cube volume means h into h into h. So h equal to 6 means 6 ku we multiply 3 times. If we multiply 2 times, that is 36. Again we multiply with 6, that is 216. So answer is 216 cubic centimeter. Next question. The area of the 4 square of each square having side 1 centimeter. So tell me what is the area of the 1 square, that is side into side 1 centimeter square or 1 square centimeter. Now how many squares are there? 4 square. So 4 into 1, that is 4 square centimeter. Next, 5 kg 250 gram plus dash gram equal to 7 kg. This is important type question. How to solve? Now simply we subtract from right to left, that is 7 kg, that is 700. We subtract 5 250. Now subtract, that is 0 5 9 minus 2 7. So here is 6 1. So answer is 1750 gram. If the question asks 5 kg 250 gram plus dash kg dash gram, then we write 1 kg 750 gram. But here is only we write in the gram. That's why we write 1750 gram. All of you understand? Now complete the pattern, that is 9 8. So 9 table, 9 2 ja, 9 4 ja, 9 8 ja, 9 10 ja, 90. Next, complete the pattern. 6 7 or 6 67 minus 7, again minus 6 Now minus 5 minus 4, now minus 3. So 45 minus 3, that is 42, then 0. Okay, next. The value of the proper fraction is always less than 1. The value of the improper fraction is always greater than 1. Now 67 liter 409 milliliter equal to dash ml. We only write the number, that is 67409, answer. Okay, if the question asks 67409 convert into dash liter dash milliliter, means we write the last 3 digit in the ml place, and the remaining we write the in liter place. Okay, now 65 minute after means addition. So 65 minute we can say that 1 hour 5 minutes, or simply 11 am we add 65 minutes. 65 minutes means we can write 60 plus 5. 60 means 1 hour 5 minutes. So 11 am plus 1 hour, that is 12. Yes or no? 12. Then 12 pm plus 12:05, that is 12.05 pm. This is very important questions. All of you understand? Now next, or this question you can solve by the other method, that is after means addition. So first write down 11:00 because 11 am means 11:00. So we add 65 minutes. So here is hour and here is minute. So we write 65 in minute place, that is 65. So 5 plus 0, that is 5. 6 plus 0, that is 6. 11. But we know that 65 minute does not exist, because up to 59 minute is exist. That's why we subtract 60. So minus 60 and plus 1. So 65 minus 60, that is 5, and here is 11 plus 1, that is 12. So 12.05. Okay, next question. Change 126 divided by 11 into mixed number. Okay, how to convert into mixed number? Now simply we divide 126 divided with 11. 11 1 ja 11, 16. 11 1 ja 11, 5. So we can write 11 whole 5 divided by 11, means this is numerator, this is whole part, and denominator. Next, 2i. This into improper fraction. So how to write? Now improper fraction means first we write 3 whole 6 by 9. Now we multiply 3 into 9, then we add 6 divided by 9, that is 27 plus 6 divided by 9, that is 33 divided by 9, answer. Next, third I. Write 2 equivalent fraction. So 2 equivalent fraction are, first is 1 by 5 equal to 1 into 2, that is 5 into 2. So 2 by 10 means if we multiply 1 to any number, then we get the equivalent fraction of this fraction. So the first fraction is 2 by 10. Again 1 by 5 we multiply 5. So that is 5 1 ja 5, 5 ja 25. So answer. These are the 2 equivalent fraction of the fraction 1 by 5. So completed today mock test or practice sheet 4. If you missed the previous worksheet or practice sheet, then you can check out from my playlist If you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel for more update. Also, you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group for PDF. So, best of luck for your annual exam. Keep practicing and take care.